In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis in Notion, a simple Notion tutorial for beginners. Emojis are a fantastic way to bring some fun and visual interest into your Notion pages. Whether you're organizing tasks, creating a personal dashboard, or designing a collaborative project, they can convey emotions, highlight important sections, or simply add a personal touch. So let's dive into how you can effortlessly incorporate them into your Notion setup. First things first, you'll want to open a page or block within Notion where you plan to add your emojis. This initial step is crucial because everything happens in the context of either a page or a specific text block. If you're new to Notion, a block is simply any piece of content you add, such as text, images, or even databases. Take a moment to decide where you would like these emojis to enhance your content. Once you've settled into your page or block, here's the fun part: adding the emoji. A quick and easy way to do this is by pressing the colon key, followed by a keyword that represents the emoji you're thinking about. For example, if you're looking to add a smile, you would type :smile without spaces. This bit of text sets off a magical process in Notion where it will automatically present you with a menu of emojis that match what you're typing. After you input the colon and keyword, you'll see a drop-down menu appear on your screen displaying various options for the emoji you want to use. Notion provides a broad selection, so it's easy to find exactly what you're hoping for. Simply scroll through the menu or continue typing until the appropriate emoji is at your fingertips. Once you've located it, move your cursor over the desired emoji and give it a simple click. Just like that, it will be inserted into your page or block. Your new emoji can now be used in various contexts within your Notion workspace, whether it's nestled among text, punctuating a title, or even highlighting properties within a database. Emojis can play an integral role in enhancing your visual and emotional communication. They help in breaking the monotony of plain text and draw attention to specific areas that might need more engagement or understanding. To wrap up, incorporating emojis into your Notion pages is a breeze, adding simplicity and expressiveness to your work. With just a few clicks and keystrokes, you can transform the look and feel of your digital projects. It's a simple yet effective way to personalize and organize your content. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful for boosting your Notion experience. Don't hesitate to experiment and see just how expressive your pages can become with the right touch of emoji magic.